How to crochet moss stitch, linen stitch. In this video, we'll show you how to crochet moss stitch, also known as linen stitch. For this video, we'll be using US crochet terminology. Start your pattern by making a foundation chain with an even number of chain stitches. To start your first row, you'll work one single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Then make one chain. Now skip the next foundation chain stitch and work a single crochet into the chain that follows. We'll now repeat this sequence to the end of the row. Make one chain, skip the next foundation chain stitch, then work a single crochet into the chain that follows. Make another chain stitch, skip the next foundation chain stitch, and work a single crochet into the chain that follows. To start the second row, turn your work and make one chain stitch. Top tip: the turning chain at the beginning of the rows doesn't count as a stitch in this pattern. Make one single crochet into the first stitch of the row. Then make a single crochet into the next chain space created in the row below. Make one chain stitch, skip the next stitch and work a single crochet into the next chain space. Now repeat these steps until you reach the end of the row. Make one chain stitch, skip the next stitch, work the next single crochet into the next chain space. When you reach the last stitch of the row, make one single crochet. To start the third row, turn your work and make one chain stitch. Make one single crochet into the first stitch of the row. Then chain one, skip the next stitch, work the next single crochet into the next chain space. Then chain one, skip the next stitch, work the next single crochet into the next chain space. Repeat these steps until you reach the last two stitches of the row. Chain one stitch, then single crochet into the very last stitch of the row. Repeat these steps in the second and third rows to continue your moss stitch pattern.